Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at some BTARTBOX gel press-ons. So we're going to do a review and an application. So I was sent these two sets to try out and I'm super grateful. Thank you so much, BTARTBOX. So first off, we have these beautiful ruby glittery cat eye, I would say medium almond nails. And then we have this nude set with gold bow accents. So beautiful. I honestly had such a hard time deciding which set I wanted to try for the video. So here they are right here. Each comes with 30 pieces. I am going to struggle opening the box, so bear with me while I get my scissor for that. Yeah, it's been a while since we did a chatty video, huh? I'm also on day 7 of quitting smoking and it is going really well. I treated myself to a little Temu haul. Nothing crazy, but keep an eye out for that. I just pointed out in the box, these are reusable. You get 30 pieces. You get, as you can see, a nail file, a cuticle pusher, and there's also some stuff underneath that holographic piece right there. So I decided to open up both sets so I can just show you them up close. I'm struggling with this as well. Yeah. Did you guys catch my latest holiday nail art videos? If you did, let me know down below. Look at how beautiful these are up close. I'm honestly saving these for like Christmas. And as you know, I like to make my own press-ons, but these are super sturdy. So that's really nice. You get an alcohol pad, 2 actually. The rest of your nails are in a baggie underneath. You get a nail glue, sticky tabs, and of course the directions at the bottom. Yeah. Same thing in both boxes. Wow, I can't speak. So for this video, if you paid attention to the thumbnail, I do decide to go with the nude nails, like I said. So let's break into this one and take a look at these. You get the same exact stuff in this box. And like I said, I enjoy making my own press-ons, but it is nice to have a break from having to make your own because it does get kind of tiring after a while, like coming up with ideas. Sometimes you like them, sometimes you don't. It's nice to have something like this off to the side just to use for whenever you feel like you don't want to make your own or you don't have time to get your nails done. Or do your own nails for that matter. So it's just very convenient. So I'm just setting up my little area here, getting myself organized quickly, and just going to take a quick look at what they say for the directions. They want you to prep your nails, or you can apply adhesive tabs or the nail glue, whatever. I don't really follow directions, but they are here for you if you need them. Yeah. I did already push back my cuticles and use some cuticle remover, which I highly recommend, honestly, because whenever I apply my nails and I don't do that, they do pop off quicker. So you definitely want to take care with your prep and stuff because they can last you quite a while. So right now, first step, I am just going to start pulling out my sizes that fit my natural nails, and I'm going to put them on this little dish here just so that we are all organized and ready to go. And like I had that little disclaimer, please excuse my natural nails. I know they're absolutely, utterly, I was just gonna curse, utterly disgusting, but I am a nail biter and recovering from maybe like 2 weeks ago. I was allergic to a certain gel product that I used, so we're in bad shape here, but these are gonna fix that right up. So you want to make sure that your nails fit sidewall to sidewall. You don't want to be pushing down too hard because that will give some pressure and the nails will want to pop off. So you want them to just fit like just so. A little bit bigger is better, and you can also customize the sides if you have to go up a size with your little nail file just to bring them in and to have them fit you absolutely perfectly. Because you definitely don't want them too small and you definitely don't want them too big because then they're going to be glued to your skin and it's going to be annoying, uncomfortable, and they will not last as long once again. So sidewall to sidewall is always what you want. These are fitting my nails very nicely. I used the size 1 for my thumb, and there is a 0 in the kit as well. I can get away with both, but I just wanted to let you know that because usually I most often have to use the biggest size that like nails come with for my thumbs. I never thought I had like huge thumbs or anything, but yeah, just letting you know there is a 0 and a 1 and both work for me. So if you have bigger nail beds, I'm pretty sure you can get away with these. And if you have small nails, these will definitely work for you because there are so many little cute tiny sizes. Oh my god, it's crazy. So we're almost done setting these up here, and then we're just gonna move on to applying them. Have you guys tried these BTARTBOX nails? I know, like, obviously the gel extensions that they make are viral. I've tried them on my channel before. I have a video on that. If you're interested, it's down there somewhere. But have you tried their gel extensions? They are so pretty. They had so many pretty ones to pick from. It was honestly super hard to choose these 2 sets, and I would definitely love to try more. But yeah, so I'm just gonna gather up those extras and put them back in my little Ziploc bag here, and then we're gonna move on. If you're still here listening to me ramble on, why don't you comment me down below some gold stars and maybe like a bow, since we're using gold and bows. Look how pretty these are. I'm so excited to get these on my hands. I literally can't wait to wear these. So like I said before, I did already use this Blue Cross cuticle remover. It works so good. I don't know how I was surviving without that. You can use the wooden stick, or I would definitely recommend using like one of these surgical steel cuticle pushers. But be careful. Certain ones are sharper than others, and you can definitely get yourself with this. I most definitely have in the past, not with this one, but like I said, certain ones are sharper than others. So just, you know, use some discretion, and then make sure you push away any dead skin. Also, you should rough up the surface of your natural nails, but since mine are so horribly disastrous, I do not need to do that, but definitely don't skip that step. And this is the nail glue and the nail tabs. I have used it, it works good, but this is my favorite nail glue. It's by Cala. You can get it on Amazon. I am going to use that because I just prefer that. So I'm just going to take one of the alcohol pads and just wipe off my nails just to dehydrate, dry them out a little bit more, which is definitely what you want. I have used dehydrator too, like other times I apply press-ons, like it's just whatever I'm in the mood for. Alcohol, dehydrator, just if you want to get them all wiped off, no dust at all, because that will mess with your adhesion process as well. So just do this part really well, and you don't want any moisture trapped under the nails, under press-on nails, under gel nails, under anything. So just take care with that. Yeah. So we're just gonna get started now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the glue and I'm going to apply it to my natural nail and to the inside of the nail bed area of the nail tip. I just recently started doing this, and it definitely works really well. It helps make sure that you actually get enough glue to like really fill in any gaps between your nail and the fake nail. It just really ensures that there's a good adhesion there. So I really like that. If you haven't tried that before, I definitely recommend it. And then you want to hold them down for a while to make sure that they're really settling in there. I do pause in between filming because I do hold each one on for a good long time. So not as quickly as you're seeing it. I am holding them on there for about like 60 to 90 seconds each. So the longest part of this is just holding down the nails, and literally you have beautiful manicured nails without doing anything except gluing them on. It's really such a time saver to have like some of these just ready to pop on. I'm in love. I can't wait to try those red ones. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. Do you have a cat eye recommendation that looks like that? Because I am on the hunt for it. That's for sure. So let me know down below. And also, I was thinking about doing a handmade press-on nail giveaway. So definitely let me know if that's something that you guys would be interested in, because I do have some sets made up, and I honestly have not done well with selling them. I've been doing like Gel X on some people, and that's been working out really, really well for me, which I'm super thankful for. But the selling of press-ons, not so much. So I was thinking it would be a nice little treat for you guys if you watch my videos, if you think it's a good idea to have a set of nails made by me. And I have quite a hefty little pile to give away, so let me know what you think down below in your comment. I appreciate it so much. And if you're still here, why don't you hit that thumbs up for me so I know that you enjoyed this video. And also, I know I haven't been doing a lot of talking videos like I said, so also hit that thumbs up if you enjoy these chatty videos. I'd definitely like to know. Personally, I enjoy watching like the videos where the person doesn't talk with some like low music in the background, but that's just my personal preference. Like, I literally love that. I honestly hate when people talk too much, unless it's like one of the two like YouTubers that I love with all my heart, which is like Anne Elizabeth or Emily Susanna. Literally, that's it. Otherwise, if you don't talk in your videos and you do nails, I love it. I love it so much because like you obviously can see what the person is doing. You know, it can get repetitive. So we're just finishing up on the thumb. I do my other hand off camera because I didn't want to bore you with just continually watching me glue on nails. So yeah, I will show you the completed both hands. I'm definitely happy with these. I think they're very sturdy. The sizings are great. You get 30 different nails, so you definitely would be able to possibly even make 2 sets for yourself depending on your nail size. And again, please don't be mean about my nails. I'm trying so hard. I know they're really gross but it's whatever. Yeah, so oh my god, did you hear that? That was my throat making such a weird sound. Oh my god, how embarrassing. Hopefully you didn't hear it, but if you did, that's okay too. Yeah. And I just want to make sure that I say I hope you guys have a happy and healthy holiday season. Just, you know, try to have a good time. Try not to get too overwhelmed by anything. I need to take my own advice. But just have a good holiday season. Whatever holiday it is that you celebrate, I hope that you enjoy it because you deserve it. And thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. And I will see you in the next one very soon because I've been on a roll making videos, it seems.